Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, we will be discussing how to reactivate your Facebook account. And in order to do that, we are going to deactivate our account first. So let's dive straight into it, shall we? Open your Facebook app. Now click on the profile icon on the right hand side of the top of your cell phone. Now click on Settings. Now tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down and you can see the access and control option. Tap on that. Here you can see the deactivation and deletion control. Click on that. Now after selecting deactivate your account is going to be deactivated and probably it's going to be logged out. In order to reactivate your account, you just have to log into it. So open your Facebook app and put in the password and log into it again. And here you go. Simple, right? See you next time.